You searched how to buy shares of Wolters Kluwer NV, a global information and software company for health, legal, and tax professionals. The stock trades on Euronext under ticker WKL.NV. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker WKL.NV to find the Euronext listing. Verify the exchange and select the matching Wolters Kluwer NV results. On the asset page, check the company description and the price chart to confirm it is the correct Wolters Kluwer NV listing. Review the basic company info and trading details before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.